SpaceX's Polaris Dawn mission marked a significant milestone in private space exploration. Launched in March 2024, the mission aimed to test new technologies and capabilities for future spaceflight, including private spacewalks and the deployment of a satellite for scientific research. This article delves into the key aspects of the Polaris Dawn mission, its objectives, achievements, and implications for the future of space exploration. Mission objectives. The Polaris Dawn mission was designed to achieve several critical objectives. Firstly, it aimed to conduct a private spacewalk, a groundbreaking feat that demonstrated the potential for commercial space exploration to contribute to scientific research. Secondly, the mission sought to test SpaceX's Starlink satellite technology, deploying a new satellite to expand the company's global broadband internet coverage. Finally, Polaris Dawn was intended to gather valuable data on human performance and health in low Earth orbit, providing insights for future crewed missions to the Moon and Mars. The crew. The Polaris Dawn mission was commanded by Jared Isaacman, a billionaire entrepreneur and philanthropist. Joining him were Scott Pote, a former U.S. Air Force test pilot, Anna Kikina, a Russian cosmonaut, and Sarah Gilmore, a pediatric surgeon. The crew's diverse backgrounds and expertise contributed to the mission's success. The launch and mission highlights. The Polaris Dawn mission launched aboard a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket from NASA's Kennedy Space Center in Florida. The launch was a flawless success, placing the spacecraft into a high-altitude orbit. Once in space, the crew conducted a series of experiments and demonstrations. One of the most notable highlights of the mission was the historic private spacewalk conducted by Isaacman and Pote. Wearing SpaceX's newly developed spacesuits, they ventured outside the spacecraft to perform tasks such as retrieving a dummy satellite and testing new spacewalk procedures. The spacewalk was a major accomplishment, demonstrating the feasibility of private spacewalks and their potential for scientific research. In addition to the spacewalk, the Polaris Dawn mission also successfully deployed a Starlink satellite. This satellite joined the growing constellation of Starlink satellites, expanding SpaceX's broadband internet coverage and bringing high-speed internet to remote areas around the world. Implications for the future of space exploration. The Polaris Dawn mission has significant implications for the future of space exploration. It demonstrated the capabilities of private space companies to conduct complex missions and contribute to scientific research. The successful private spacewalk and satellite deployment showcased the potential for commercial space exploration to play a vital role in advancing human knowledge and technology. Moreover, the mission provided valuable data on human performance and health in low Earth orbit. This information will be crucial for future crewed missions to the Moon and Mars, helping scientists and engineers to develop countermeasures to the challenges of long-duration spaceflight. SpaceX's Polaris Dawn mission was a groundbreaking achievement that marked a new era in private space exploration. The mission's success demonstrated the potential for commercial space companies to contribute to scientific research, expand access to technology, and pave the way for future human exploration of the cosmos. As the space industry continues to evolve, the Polaris Dawn mission will serve as a testament to the innovative spirit and boundless possibilities of human endeavor.